Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
Hey there, H2O homies. Ready to dive into today's whirlpool of knowledge? Well, buckle up, because we're going on a wild, wet ride around Earth's water cycle. For starters, the water you just gulped down might have had quite a history, from being part of an ancient glacier to a dinosaur's thirst quencher. All of this is thanks to our Earth's hardworking hydro hero, the water cycle. Quite a mouthful, right? Don't sweat it yet. Let's umbrella it down to a simple, funny tale. The water cycle is pretty much water's version of a global relay, where water molecules continuously pass through different stages in an interconnected journey. The water cycle begins with water in its liquid state, sunbathing in oceans, rivers, and lakes, or having an underground party. Solid ice, the life of the polar parties, chilling with the snow and glaciers. Can you see your breath in the cold air? That's water vapor, water's steamy gas form. Round 1, get ready to tag society's favorite sunbather, evaporation. This part of the game takes place when the sun warms up the water so much it simply can't resist shooting off into the sky. Round 2 of our watery tag, and it's off to our leafy teammates. Transpiration is when our green friends sweat out water from their leaves. They seem to love their sauna time. Enough splashing around. Let's take a breather in our river ride. It's time to flip a question at you. What happens to water droplets under the sun? A. They turn into vapors. B. They remain in their current state. Be right back after this quick splash. Are you thinking of selecting the option A? Yes, you're right. Just like in a game, it's necessary to cool off, right? That's what water vapor does, breaking in the crazy race and forming droplets again. We call this condensation. Lastly, you guessed it, we're up to precipitation. When clouds just can't hold their own, they drop the water ball down as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Now that we grabbed a fun look at the water cycle, remember, we've got limited water on our planet. It's our responsibility to conserve this valuable commodity. Whether it's turning off the tap when we brush or taking shorter showers, no effort is too small. We're all part of this relay, so let's keep it going. And here's a fact to soak in. The fresh water on Earth makes up only about 3% of all the Earth's water. Only a splash of that, 0.3%, is readily available for us. The rest is hidden away in glaciers or deep underground. Yes, a lot of water is still waiting for their turn to play. Hang on, we aren't climbing out of our learning pool just yet. Swiftly coming up is a multiple choice question. Approximately what percentage of all water on Earth is freshwater? Is it A, 15%, B, 3%, C, 30%, D, 10%? Well done, wisecrackers. Answer B, 3% is absolutely right. Now, water warriors, we've smoothly sailed through the water cycle, a roundabout trip from the land to the skies and back. Before we wrap up, remember this. The water cycle is a great reminder of the values and lessons water teaches us. From being flexible, changing states, to make its journey, to always persevering and never stopping. Let's take a page, or rather, a drop, from water's book. Cooler than a water pun. Those who see the importance of the water cycle make the wave forward. Remember to splash some knowledge around. We are all part of this game of tag, after all. This is another video brought to you by Goalie, the kids' tablet that believes learning flows everywhere, just like water.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.